Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place food items on a table and make it like super neat like this on Bloxburg. So you're just going to go to the fridge first, interact, then you're going to select view content and find the food that you want to place on your table. So for instance, this piece of cheesecake. You're going to select the table and then press place. Then you're going to go to the build mode, and here you can actually kind of like place it more neat, I guess. And it looks like this. I think I'm just going to remove this plate and place it with the one that has a cheesecake on it just to make it look like it's lived in or something. But as you can see, it just makes it a little bit more neat, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.